Hey, Allison, good day. So this is a familiar pattern we've seen going back to last spring when we have people surging through airports on the holidays, followed a few days later by a surge in ERs and ICUs. We've had more than 1 million people traveling each day over just the last few days in the nation's airports. And now the concern is we could see that surge hitting hospitals very quickly. Despite health experts nationwide pleading with Americans to stay home,
the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommend social distancing to
millions of Americans are back home this morning after traveling over the holidays.
I really wanted to see my family.
On New Year's Day alone, the TSA screened more than 800,000 people. Just a few days before, more than 1.2 million travelers took to the skies, the biggest single travel day since the start of the pandemic.
It's a risk we're taking, like if we do get sick. But it was worth it because we had fun.
But experts fear that fun could mean disaster in America's hospitals.
My concern is that it could get worse over the next couple of weeks as we see the lag that happens when an event occurs like the Christmas and New Year's holiday.
Pope Francis criticized vacationers who traveled to avoid lockdowns, saying they thought only about going on holiday and having fun. This pained me a lot. Nationwide, images of packed parties and giant gatherings have flooded social media. In New York, police shut down an illegal karaoke party with more than 300 people. In L.A., the Sheriff's Department raided 5 New Year's Eve super spreader parties.
Well, Corona.
In Florida, thousands of maskless vacationers flooded area beaches and packed pool parties with little to no social distancing. At the start of this first full week of 2021, America's COVID death toll stands at more than 351,000. The number is stunning, the equivalent of a 9/11 scale attack every day for 117 days straight. By far the highest death toll in the world, with more than 20 million Americans confirmed to have been infected. But the president is falsely claiming the number of cases and deaths is far exaggerated. Dr. Anthony Fauci pushing back.
Go into the trenches, go into the hospitals, go into the intensive care units and see what is happening. Those are real numbers, real people, and real deaths.
One other note here, a lot of concern that the vaccine rollout is happening much more slowly than the administration had promised or than health experts had recommended. And so now there's discussion within Operation Warp Speed of actually cutting the Moderna vaccine in half. Rather than giving everybody 2 doses, give them 1 dose, get more people vaccinated more quickly to offer some sense of protection while they wait for the entire vaccine process to roll out. But right now, that's only a conversation. It is not yet a decision. Allison?
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.